And we're back, and I'm going to show you how to tension or tighten the tension line on this Deer Buster's fence. I'm going to set you down on my ladder again, and these things are called a gripple. And basically what I'm going to do here, all right, there we go. See the line right here? See the gripple? And there's a hole here and a hole here. I'm going to snip this line and I'm going to slide it through each side, and then I'll show you how to tighten it. Let me set you down here on my ladder. Alright, I think you can see the line right here. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Alright, I'm going to snip my line, and I got to hang on to it, otherwise I'll lose it. Alright, there, see what I mean? Stop. Oh, I'm so screwed. Time to stop this fucking video.